Welcome, my beautiful people. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is aloe vera organic powder. This is how our aloe vera organic powder looks like. Aloe vera, whether the fresh ones or the powdered ones, will stimulate new healthy hair growth. It also contains vitamins that will strengthen your hair and prevent your hair from breaking. My next natural ingredient is fenugreek organic powder. Fenugreek contains iron and protein that is going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent them from breaking. It also contains vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as folic acid, and these are all needed when it comes to healthy hair growth. So in my bowl, I'm going to put my organic aloe vera powder as well as my fenugreek powder, and I'm going to introduce to you my next natural ingredient. So the next ingredient I'm going to use is black seeds. Black seeds are also great when it comes to natural hair growth. It is going to improve the density and thickness of your hair. It can also stop hair thinning and help you grow hair at spots that is balding. When added to your hair care routine, black seed oil can stimulate new healthy hair growth. I used about a tablespoon of my black seed as well as about 3 tablespoons of my organic aloe vera powder and 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek organic powder. You do not have to use any specific measurement. These are all natural ingredients. Too much or too less is not going to harm you in any way. I'm also going to add my rosemary herbs, but I'm going to add that later. For now, I'm going to add my carrier oil. And today, I'm using my olive oil. Feel free to use any oil that works best for your hair. I just love to use olive oil because of what it does to my hair. I'm also going to add another oil, which is the coconut oil. Coconut oil can also strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakages, and also it can treat dandruff. Again, I did not use any specific measurement. It all depends on the quantity you're trying to make. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair issues or help grow their hair much faster. Alright, so at this point, I'm using the double boiler method to infuse everything into the oil. It's very important to use this method because it is going to speed up the infusion process, and also it's going to help the coconut oil to melt and blend everything together. So I just give it a stir every now and then to make sure the coconut oil is all melted. Then after, I'm going to set it aside. You can set it aside for some few hours, but I decided to leave it for about 24 hours. This is the next day, and this is how my oil is already looking. As you can see, all the natural ingredients have settled at the bottom, and you can see the rosemary herbs also on top. So it is very important to strain it just to get the oil out, because with this recipe, we just need that oil. You can use any material with tiny holes. I just love to use my paper towel because it has this thick, strong hold, so it's easy to use it. But you can feel free to use cheesecloth, your wig cap, or anything that can do the job for you. After straining it, there is one more ingredient I'm going to add to it, so make sure you're not skipping any part of this video. And guess what? This oil is so powerful. You just have to know the right way to use it, because if you know how to prepare it and you do not know how to use it, you'll be wasting your time. And since I'm not greedy and I'm spilling all the tea to the tea, I'm going to tell you exactly how to use this oil in order to get all the benefits out of it. Alright, so this is the oil I got out. Look at how beautiful and thick this oil is already looking. Guys, if I tell you this oil works, it does work. If you can make this at home, please give it a try. Don't be wasting so much money buying store-bought oils if you can make one for yourself. So I'm going to add my tea tree essential oil. Tea tree has great properties when it comes to treating your scalp from dandruff, stimulating your healthy hair growth, and also preventing hair breakages. Also, it's going to add to the fragrance of this oil. There is no measurement to this. You can add some few drops or as much as you want. Just do not add too much. Just a little bit will go a long way. So I give it a stir and I'm going to transfer it into my applicator bottle to make the use much easier. You can use this oil as your leave-in. Do not rinse it out. Whenever you have your hair braided, you can apply this on your scalp. You can also apply it on your hair strands and just make sure to massage it in. Use it 3 to 4 times in a week. You can also use this as a pre-poo before washing your hair. Use it as a hot oil treatment. Make sure to warm it up. Apply it to every part of your hair. Leave it in for 30 minutes, then rinse it out. Thank you for watching this video.